Hello friends, in this video we will discuss present tense in detail. We have four types of present tense. First, simple present. Second, present perfect. Third, present continuous. Fourth, present perfect continuous. Let's start with simple present. It describes the action which happened in present time. Structure, subject plus verb in present time. For example, I walk every day. She teaches us English. We go to school daily. Some important that we should know. With I, you, we, they, we cannot use S. But with she, he, it, we can use S. Some star mark. Always use to with go and listen. For example, I am listening to music. We go to school. Now next, present perfect. This tense describes an action that has taken place once before now. Structure, subject plus has or have plus verb participle. For example, I have walked yesterday. We have understand the basic of tenses. She has finished her homework. Some star marked has should be used with singular like he, she, it, but have should be used with plural I, they, we, you. Now next, present continuous. It describes the work which is still continuing. Structure, subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing. For example, they are having tea and bread. I am learning present continuous tense. He is working day and night to fulfill his dreams. Some importance. For I, we use am. For he, she, it, we can use is. For they, we can use are. Next, present perfect continuous. It describes an action which has started in the past till continuing till the present time. Structure, subject plus has have been plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been working in office for 8 hours. We have been living in the same town since 2000. It has been raining all morning. Some reminders. For he, she, it, we can use has. But for I, we, you, they, we can use have.